Replacing windows is an essential home improvement project that can enhance your home's energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, and overall value. However, in the town of Bartow, just as anywhere else, homeowners often make mistakes that can lead to unnecessary costs, delays, and unsatisfactory results. If you're considering a window replacement in Bartow, it's important to avoid these common mistakes to ensure the project is completed successfully, on time, and within budget. Choosing the wrong window style. One of the most common mistakes homeowners make is choosing the wrong style of windows for their home. Not all window types fit every space or aesthetic. In Bartow, where the climate can be hot and humid, it's crucial to select windows that are well suited to the local weather conditions. Opting for energy-efficient windows that provide insulation against heat can help reduce cooling costs and improve indoor comfort. Additionally, ensure that the window style complements the architectural design of your home. Whether you prefer double-hung, casement, or sliding windows, choosing the right style can impact both functionality and curb appeal. Overlooking energy efficiency. Energy efficiency should be a top priority when replacing windows. Bartow's summer temperatures can be quite intense, making it essential to choose windows that reduce heat gain and loss. Many homeowners neglect to consider energy efficiency features like low E-glass, argon gas fills, and proper insulation. These features help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing your energy bills. Failing to prioritize energy efficiency could lead to higher energy costs in the long run and may not deliver the performance you expect from a window replacement project. Not hiring a professional installer. Attempting a window replacement project as a DIY job is another common mistake. While DIY projects can save money, replacing windows requires a level of expertise that most homeowners simply don't have. Proper installation is critical to ensure that windows are sealed correctly, reducing the risk of leaks, drafts, and water damage. In Bartow, where humidity levels are high, improper installation can lead to significant issues, including mold growth and deterioration of window frames. Hiring a licensed and experienced window installer ensures that your windows will be installed to code and provide optimal performance. Neglecting proper measurement. Another mistake homeowners make is neglecting to take accurate measurements when purchasing new windows. Even a small mistake in measurements can lead to windows that don't fit properly, resulting in costly adjustments and installation delays. Before placing your order, ensure that the measurements are taken accurately by a professional or by following detailed instructions provided by the manufacturer. This is a crucial step to avoid the frustration of having to reorder windows or make alterations to the opening. Skimping on quality. When it comes to window replacement, skimping on quality can lead to long-term problems. Some homeowners are tempted to choose cheaper window options to save money up front, but this often results in higher costs over time due to increased maintenance or energy inefficiency. High-quality windows are more durable, better insulated, and less likely to require frequent repairs. Investing in quality windows may cost more initially, but it will provide long-term savings through energy efficiency and reduced maintenance needs. Ignoring local building codes. Bartow, like every city, has its own set of building codes and regulations regarding window replacements. Failing to adhere to these codes can lead to fines, delays, or even the need to redo the work entirely. Before starting the project, make sure you understand the local requirements for window installation, including the type of windows permitted and the necessary permits. Your window installer should be familiar with these codes, ensuring the project meets all necessary standards. Focusing too much on aesthetics. While aesthetics are important, focusing solely on appearance without considering the functional aspects of windows can be a costly mistake. A beautiful window can still be inefficient, difficult to operate, or prone to leaks if it's not chosen with functionality in mind. It's important to balance both aesthetics and performance to achieve the best results for your home. Choosing windows that offer both style and functionality ensures long-term satisfaction and enhances the overall comfort of your home. Neglecting to plan for future maintenance. Lastly, many homeowners fail to consider the long-term maintenance requirements of their new windows. Some window types, while beautiful, require more upkeep than others. For example, wooden windows may need to be repainted every few years to maintain their appearance, while vinyl windows are typically low maintenance. Be sure to consider the long-term care that your windows will require before making your final selection. Conclusion. Replacing windows is a significant investment that can improve your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. By avoiding common mistakes such as choosing the wrong window style, neglecting energy efficiency, skimping on quality, and failing to follow local building codes, you can ensure that your window replacement project in Bartow is a success. With careful planning and the help of professional installers, you'll enjoy the benefits of your new windows for many years to come.